Hi students, welcome to the video lecture 3 of module 2, topic CAD and computer graphics software. In lecture 2, the topics discussed were application of computer in design, so in which all section the computers are being used we saw, and we discussed about computer graphics. Also we saw the software configuration of graphic system. In today's lecture we'll see the functions of graphics package and constructing the geometry. The functions of graphics package are: a graphics package in a CAD system has to perform the 5 basic function: generation of graphic element, transformation, display control and windowing function, segmenting function and user input function. Now let us see one by one what it is. Generation of graphic element. So as the name itself indicates, graphic element is a basic image entity like a point, line, segment, circle, etc. Graphic element also includes alphanumeric character and special symbols, etc. A hardware component called graphics card helpful for the display of this element on the screen and also speed up the process of generating the element and hence the image. So you people know, right? If you want to play the games in the laptop or computer and all, you need to the computer has the inbuilt graphics card and all. So that's what they are specifying here. Graphics card helps in speed up the process of generating the graphic element using the software. Primitive is a term used to refer a 3D graphic elements, sphere, cube, cylinder, prism, etc. The next function is transformation. This is used to modify the image on the graphic terminal and to reposition the item in the database. Transformation used to modify the image on the graphic terminal by increasing or decreasing size of the existing image is called as scaling. Repositioning the image by translation and rotation, assembly, moving one part into another. So these are the things you people have studied in the CAMD and CAD lab. So that's what they are specifying here. Next is display control and windowing function. This function in a CAD graphics give us the ability to the user to view the image from the desired angle, that is rotation, and at the desired magnification, zooming. So if you see in the software, we have the option of viewing the object in different views, that is front view, top view, isometric view, which gives the designer an idea how the product will look like, and it makes use of various transformation functions to display the application model as required by the designer for an informative viewing. Okay. Windows helps the designer to visualize the model in a better way to get pictorial information of each inputs. So based on the views, that is front view, top view, isometric view, the designer will get the view how the product will look like, and if there is any modification required, he will do it. And based on whatever the views he saw, he creates the further things, that is computer aided process planning, manufacturing planning, shop floor planning and material requirement planning and all. Another important function of display control is the removal of hidden lines. Graphic image created on the screen is a designed image, is shown clearly with its visible lines, and by removing the invisible line in most of the CAD software, the hidden removal lines option are automatically executed without being specified by the user which lines to be removed. Okay, this is an important feature for the designer, removing the hidden lines. Next is segmenting function. This function provides the designer with the capability to selectively replace, delete and modify portions of the created image. The segment refers to a particular portions of the image selected for editing or modifications. The segment may be a single element or a logical group of element which can be modified together. So segmenting of the elements which has to be edited is also allowed by the computer. User input function. The user input function allows the designer to input commands and or data to the CAD system. The input is made through a variety of input devices like keyboard, light pen, digitizer, mouse, etc. The user input functions requires a specific set of instructions for a particular input device called device drivers. So next we'll see the construction of geometry. Geometric construction refers to the process of obtaining the desired image on the graphic terminals. Geometric construction is possible with the two basic operations. They are defining the graphic element, editing the geometry. Defining the graphic elements. Let us see what is defining the graphic elements. A model is constructed in a CAD system using a number of graphics element available in the CAD system library. The designer calls these elements and arranges them together in a desired fashion by adding or subtracting to construct the required images. So here if you see they have shown the example. Here this A and B are separate. So using the operation adding, these images are being added. Here an example of subtraction is been shown. D and this circle is E, so you will get the output as F. Okay. The graphic element like points, lines, arcs, etc. are stored in the database in mathematical form and referred to a 3D coordinate system. For example, a point can be defined by simply by its XYZ coordinates. A polygon can be defined as an ordered set of points representing the corners of the polygon. Circle by its radius or diameter. Mathematically, a circle can be defined in the xy plane by the equation x minus m the whole square plus y minus n the whole square is equal to r square, where r is the radius. So next is editing the geometry. Editing facilities available in CAD system to modify a model and make corrections to build geometry. To modify the elements, the editing commands like delete, move, copy, rotate, mirror, remove, trim, duplicate, scale are used for transformation and display control functions. Hope you are all familiar with these commands as you have done with CAD and CAMD lab. Thank you, dear friends.